Okay.
There's a picture with this doors.
Überall, wo noch grün ist, kannst du.
It was time to grab my jets and heading west to Gravenbroich. And it was time for the mode. Because of the second floor, there was no lack of room.
Here in the middle of Germany on the way to the Composite. Let's see what we do there.
Wir haben Harrier. Die Sprinkler hoch.
Some buddies from our VTOL group are also attending.
Viel Licht.
Die hier hat fast breit gemacht, Helga. Das lädt vor das lädt.
Wofür ist das hier?
Richtig schön fassen, weißt du?
Zum Auto. Ich denke, wie hast du geschlafen oder ist es?
I just filmed.
Gut.
Ach, wollte checken. Vielleicht die letzte mit irgendeiner Kamera, wie der Akku aussieht.
It was quite windy, but the sky looks wonderful, so I wanted to fly with my SUX. Finally, I got a reason to switch all the lights on. Why not taken off? There's no wind. What's your name, guy?
Well, I'm Joe.
And you're the owner of this beauty?
Still does, yeah.
And now we see it in one piece. This is Joel Vlashof preparing his F35 for the first start of today.
I tried a gyro for the first time. Yeti assist.
Okay. It was still very windy, so he was a bit scared, but Joel is a brave guy, and so he did the first test taxiing.
Ja, das ist wel een stuk weg.
The crew of the Compocon especially mowed the green for us the night before, so it was in a very good condition and Joel could done his taxiing test. While doing these tests, he wants to check if the landing gear is strong enough, especially the nose gear, and also if all systems are working in the right way. So now you want to make the Maiden for today?
For today, yeah.
For today? Are you nervous?
No, not so. I'm going to land without gears. But I got only 4,000 battery, right?
And it was time for the moment of truth. Okay, that's the first start here. It's a bit windy. Because of a lot load on the nose gear and very little elevator deflections, the start run became very long. But from the first moment in air, the F35 performed superb. The jet is powered by a 100mm Midifan Evo from Vemotec. This was a planned belly landing from Joel to to save the gears from any possible damage. And it works nice.
90.
Komt ie?
The F35
Wow.
gears are down. Go for landing. 3,000 milliamps used from battery.
But the landing was too speed.
So cool.
Milliamp.
Okay, look, I got only like this.
Let's go back to the Compocon. Here we can see a modern home-built glider. And the specialty on this one is that we got composite carbon wings, which are moldless built. They got a styrofoam core, but the outer surface is absolutely smooth and you wouldn't mind that they are not built in a mold. The lower side is not painted, so we can see the spread toe carbon fibers.
So now it's calibrating, right?
Yeah. So there's a pre-flight check. Ah, okay. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. Can you do it slower? Yes. And what do we have here? We have the small motors, yeah?
Magnetic gear motors.
Yeah.
Or gear motors with a magnetic encoder.
Okay.
So this is called an encoder. He will count the steps.
Yeah.
And all steps will
this-
communicate with the Arduino.
Okay, so this at the end is rotating. I can see it.
Yeah.
I can see
So
it.
this will actually hold the position.
Yeah, yeah.
So when I stop this motor will stop too actually. So they read from each other.
Yeah. And they got all an end switch. Okay.
Yeah,
But then
yeah,
now
yeah.
there's.
And this is jaw, right?
Ah yeah, this is jaw. What is this for engine?
This is a FASA.
This is the Faser. And these datas on this, is this actual?
Yeah. 6.8 kilos at 180 amps.
At 10L. 6.8 kilogram from a 90 millimeter.
Yeah. And I got 3.4 when I'm flying. But when you put the thrust through it, then it goes over.
One question, mate. How much ball bearings you installed here?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 8.
8? No more.
No, 8 for each ring.
Yeah.
30, 34, 32.
32. The weight of all these ball bearings?
Ball bearings, I don't know, but the total weight of this tube is just less than 300 grams.
Oh, that's cool. That's
It's
cool.
really lightweight.
Yeah.
But it's not the signal, I need digital signal.
Okay. Let's take a look at the front of this cool thing. What do we see here? What?
It's also FASA.
Yeah. How many blades?
13, I guess, and lower kV. So in the back I'm using 1580,
Yeah.
and in the front I'm using 1500 because this doesn't need to push that hard
Yeah.
compared to the back one.
Ah, yeah. Ah, there's the data. Okay, let me see. Kilograms at 120 amps, yeah? Nice. What is your estimated first hover?
4 weeks.
4 weeks from now?
Yeah.
So tell it us in this camera.
4
Today
weeks from now.
we will see a video. Mid of October, we have it.
We have it on camera.
Yes.
What do you think about this printed a picture with these doors? That would be nice for next time.
Guck mal, überall wo noch grün ist, kannst du...
Where is it? Okay, you saw this.
This day it was so windy that I could fly nearly backwards with the SUX. This is a super cool self-built machine which helps to cut out ailerons and flaps on a composite wing. An electric saw and grinding machine are inbuilt, which can guide it precisely by hand all over the wing. Here we can see the saw blade and also the rotary cultivator. These machines are powered by 12 volts. These are super slim round fuselages for high-end competition gliders. To integrate all the electronics in these super slim fuselages, special boards had been developed, as we can see here, with an inbuilt receiver. This is a very clever way for assembling and disassembling all these components. It also looks super clean because no cables are used. This black plastic is a balloon which is inflated into the mold to press all the layup against the walls of the mold.
Oh.
And now it was time to prepare the ram for our Harrier.
Der flucht. Sehr gut. Wow. Nice sound.
Here we can see some master forms in its molds. This is a glider fuselage and a horizontal stabilizer. And the cool thing is that these master forms are 3D printed and afterwards painted and polished. Here we got two retractable landing gears for gliders, and the right one is very special. It got a dual spindle drive which is driven by a geared motor. And it works quite similar to a servo because there is also a potentiometer which allows to know the actual position. Here we got a carbon composite wing joiner which is built in a massive aluminium mold, and also a carbon glider fuselage made in spread toe. Joel was winning the first CompoCon award for building his F35B VTOL prototype.
Thank you also.
And at last, here we did simulating some first Harrier VTOL starts. See you in the next video, and you find Joel's channel in the video description. Bye bye.